Welcome back, my dear future stars of Max. Hope that you all are fine and doing well. As you all know, the main reason or aim of this channel is to see all the kids grasp the skills and knowledge in a simple way and fall in love with mathematics. So I request you all to watch my videos repeatedly until you master it and drop me any queries or doubts in comment section. Okay, students? As you all are now perfect in doing all four basic operations, today I would like to show you all how to do these operations on decimal numbers. First, let us learn what are decimal numbers. Decimal numbers are simply the numbers that contain a decimal, that is a point in it. Let us take an example for this. In this number, there is a point between 9 and 4. It is called as decimal point. Now, the number on the left side of decimal point is called whole part or integral part, and the number on right side of decimal is called decimal part. That is 359 is whole part and 46 is decimal part. Okay, students? First, let us learn how to read a decimal number. For this, first we have to write place values on the decimal number. First, check where is decimal point. It is between 1 and 6. Now, the place values on left side of decimal, that is on whole part, will be as usual. That is, it will be same. So let us write place values on left side first. So 1 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place and 3 is in thousands place. Now on right side of decimal, that is on decimal part, the place values will be tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. So now we will write this on our example. So in our example, we have 6 in tens place because it is after point, and 3 is in hundreds place and 5 is in thousands place. Now we can read out this number in words as 3591.635. Okay, we should not write or read as 635 in the decimal part. We should read only 635. Okay, students? Let us write the expanded form for this example. Okay. 3 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 1 into 1 plus 6 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 5 by 1000.
Please do like, share, subscribe to our channel, Future Stars of Max.
So, by seeing the place values, we can write the expanded form as 3 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 1 into 1 plus 6 by 10 plus 3 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Is it clear, students? So, in whole part, we multiply the numbers with 10, 100 and 1000 and so on to the left side. Whereas in decimal part, we divide the numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Okay, students? Now we can conclude that the place values in whole part, that is from right to left, increases in multiples of 10, and in decimal part, that is after point from left to right, is divided by multiples of 10. So in this example, decimal point is between 6 and 3. So on the left side we have 6 in ones place. So we multiply it with 1. Then the number 5 is in tens place. So we multiply with 10. And 2 is in hundreds place. So we multiply it with 100. 3 is after decimal at the right side. So it is in tenths place. So we divide it with 10. And 7 is in hundredths place. So we divide it by 100. Now I hope that you all are now perfect in writing the expanded form of decimal numbers. So let us proceed with a new topic, comparing decimal numbers. Future stars, can you tell which number is greater? Now I'll show you the procedure to check the numbers. Okay students? Now first we have to check the whole part, that is the integral part, that is the number which is on the left side of decimal. Okay students? So on the left side of first number we have 63. And second number is 173. So clearly you can say that 173 will be big and 63 will be small, because we have 3 digits in 173 and 2 digits in 63. So by looking at the numbers only we can decide which is greater and which is smaller. Okay. In this example, we don't have to check the decimal part, because we can decide whether the number is big or small by seeing the whole part itself. Okay, now we will proceed with the next example. Second example is 7.0 or 0.7. So before checking which is greater, first thing what we have to do, we have to write the place values. So to write the place values, what we have to check, where is the decimal point. So in the first number it is between 7 and 0. So 7 is on the left side, that is it is in whole part. So the place value for 7 will be ones place, and 0 is in the decimal part. So the place value for it is tens place. Now in the second number, again the decimal point is between 0 and 7. But in this case, the whole part, the number which we have is 0. So 0 is in ones place. And in the decimal part, the number is 7. So it is in tenths place. Okay students, now we will check the number which is greater. Second thing which we have to check is the whole part, comparison of whole part. So in first number, the whole part, the number is 7, and for second number it is 0. So we can you tell student which is greater? So 7 is greater. So now we can conclude that 7.0 is greater than 0.7. So in this example also, no need to check the decimal part. Okay students, now we will proceed with next example. To compare the numbers, first thing we have to do is write the place values. But to write the place values, we have to see where is the decimal point. So in the first number, it is between 2 and 5. So first we will write the place values on left side. So 2 is in ones place. And now we will check the right side, that is the decimal part. So 5 is in tens place of first number. Now we'll write the place values on second number. So before that we'll check where is the decimal point. It is between 2 and 0. We'll write the place values on the left side, that is the integral part first. So 2 is in ones place. Now we'll write the place values in the decimal part. So now 0 is in tens place and 5 is in hundredths place. Okay, students? Now we have to compare the numbers. So for doing so, we have to check first in the whole part. So for both the numbers, in ones place we have 2. So now we'll compare the numbers in the decimal part. In decimal part, in tens place of first number we have 5 and of second number we have 0. Since 5 is greater than 0, we can say that 2.5 is greater than 2.05. Here no need to check the hundreds place number because in tens place only we can conclude this. Okay, if tens place number would be same, then we would move to hundreds place number. Okay students, is it clear? We'll continue the next topic, that is the basic operations on decimal numbers, in the next coming videos. So be connected with us. See you soon.